We've got six that today are 8 weeks and 4 days old.
Mhm.
And I have all of them reserved.
Fantastic.
All of them are reserved.
Woo!
And
Well
one
done.
went to I couldn't have done it without you. I put them on AKC, on Good Dog, on Telltale, and on puppies.com, and put them all out there.
Mm-hmm.
I received, of course, a lot of interest from every one of those platforms, but um, I only sold one dog off of Good Dog, and all my others came off my website.
Wow.
And I have people that are still reaching out, and I'm starting to build a wait list
That's
for my puppies.
I love that. Absolutely love it. Well done.